Do you need a new smart key fob like this for your Toyota? Well, I've got a solution for you. Visit tomskey.com where you can rent Tom's Car Key Programmer model TSL2. When you place your order, be sure you pick up whatever key fobs you need to program. Let me show you how easy it is to use Tom's Car Key Programmer to make your new key fob. Let's go. The first thing we'll do is plug the cable in to the OBD2 port. Look down by your gas and brake pedal, find where the cable plugs in. Here's the new one. Notice the buttons don't work. It warns me on the dashboard the key's not detected. So the first thing we got to do is plug in Tom's Car Key Programmer. You'll notice that it lights on with a few lights. The middle light's the one that we need to pay attention to, Bluetooth. Right now it's red. We're trying to get enough of these old phones to send with our rental programmers. So you may get a phone that's already got the app preloaded and ready to pair. If not, we'll include a link so you can download the app onto your smartphone. You're going to open up the app. If you are using your own phone that you've just installed the app on, you'll have to go through an activation step. If you get a phone in the shipment with your programmer, it will already be activated. So the first thing you got to do is get the Bluetooth connected. You see it's red right now. You're going to come into Bluetooth, hit Bluetooth setting, and you got to find this serial number, 13729. So I've selected that, back to the app, and in the app, I'm going to select 13729. That should get this paired. The hardest part sometimes can be getting it paired. You know it's paired once you've got a blue light. Okay, with the blue light, we're ready to move on to the next step. We'll come to immobilization. You may need to download a little bit of firmware or install a little something. Oh, license exception. So this one needs to be activated again. I'm going to come to activation, 13729. Hit activate. You've got to be connected to Wi-Fi or the internet, and it successfully activated. With it activated, Bluetooth, immobilization. Now we're going to be coming to the smart key system because it's a smart fob like this, a push button start vehicle. If it's a traditional key, got other videos that demonstrate that, but you'll use remote and immobilizer for traditional keys. Smart key. Now we're just going to come and you just start at 1 and you work your way through. It may fail, and that's okay. There it said failed to connect. It wasn't prox number 1. We're going to hit prox 2, see if it connects. Failed to connect. Let's come to prox 3. There we go. It's connected. One of the nice things about renting Tom's Car Key Programmer, the second generation model, is that we can erase lost keys. So I'm going to hit erase smart keys. You got to have your working key with you. This will erase all keys except the one that you comment. Now it tells me use a programmed smart key to contact the start stop button. So we'll just come touch it. The car beeped, said successful erase. So that's erased all smart keys that are out there in the world except this one that we use to touch. Now I will warn you as you go through this smart key process, there is a time limit. So you want to have your new key ready to go. We're going to add a smart key. It's communicating. Use a programmed key to touch the start stop button. Come push, the vehicle beeps. It changed to say use a new smart key to touch the start stop. The vehicle beeped. It configured the system, programming success. We hit OK. And that's it. Now we just need to test our key. Let's go ahead and unplug the programmer. Here's our existing key. Let's make sure the buttons still work. Lock, unlock, alarm. Now we're going to check the new key. Lock, unlock, lock, alarm. Okay, so that looks good. So now we need to check that it actually starts the vehicle. To do the check, you got to take your working key far enough away from the vehicle that you get that no key detected. So let me go move this one away and we'll check the new one. I've taken my original key kind of far away from the vehicle. I've checked, made sure that the ignition doesn't sense it. Now I've got our new key. I'm gonna hit the brake and push start. There we go. Fired up, that easy. Now I'm gonna go check my existing key. Move this one far away, check the existing one. Now I've got my existing key. By the way, if you don't want to lose your investment in new key, pick up some of these tile key finders. We sell them on our website. And it pairs with your smartphone so you can always find where your keys are at. Let's push the brake and let's make sure this one communicates. There we go. Engine started up. Perfect. All right, you've seen how easy it is to use Tom's Car Key Programmer to make a new fob for your Toyota vehicle. This was a 2009 Toyota Camry. This works on lots of different Camry vehicles. We're working to add more to the website all the time. Now at Tom's Key Company, we aim to provide exceptional customer service. So if you run into problems, simply email us, help@tomskey.com, and we'll help work to solve your problem. And if we can't, you get all your money back. We back our products with a full money back guarantee. So if you have any problems and it doesn't work for you and we can't solve it, send it back to us. You'll get all your money back. Now we appreciate it if you leave a comment, let people know about your experience using Tom's Key Company. It's super easy to make your new car key. Be sure to visit tomskey.com where you can order Tom's Car Key Programmer so you can get your new key fob programmed. Now we do charge a fully refundable security deposit that you'll receive once you return the programmer to us. So when you're done, put everything back in the box. Be sure you keep your new keys, obviously, and apply the prepaid mailing label to the box, ship it back to us, and within a few days, we'll refund that security deposit. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and have a great day. Visit tomskey.com where you can rent Tom's Car Key Programmer Model TSL2.